You're still in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep seeing.
What's up everybody and welcome to another video. I'm trying to improve the sound quality here, so that's the reason for these two. But today we're working on the KartCar. We're installing new brakes, rotors and pads. I did get a new caliper for the front, the one that was broken. We're gonna start making the bash bar. That's the goals for today. Without further ado, let's just jump right into this! What? I'm still working on the brakes on that side, and Caleb is about to weld up some plates on the front to start the bash bar. So I'm just gonna, leave you guys here. You'll see me on the corner of the screen, as well as Caleb working here, so. Alright guys, so here's the thing. I took the front right caliper off the car.
And it was bunk.
It's bad.
Bunk.
Where is it? It's very rusty and really bad. So I decided just to swap all of them, Might as well while we're at it. I think it's gonna be worth it, so I'm going to the store to pick up the rest of the calipers. I'm gonna be leaving you guys with Caleb, so he'll take care of you. But I'll be back, okay?
All right, just viewers, I'm gonna show you what we got going on here. I'm starting to make the bash bar for this cart crap. First thing I did was weld a nice thick piece of steel to the frame rails. That way the bash bar has something smooth, flat, and really strong to mount onto. So this piece is welded to the frame rails. Then you have this piece. This piece is going to be welded to the bash bar. And there's holes with nuts welded on the back. So this piece can just bolt in like so. So this is super legit. I have to do this side. As you guys can tell, I tacked the two pieces together. That way I can just drill holes straight to the two pieces. They line up perfectly and nothing wants to move around. Once I do the other side, then I can actually start doing the tubes, which is the fun part. Now over here, we have an example of what a bad bash bar looks like. There's a couple problems with this. Number one, the metal they used to weld plates on is just so dang thin. This is 16 gauge steel. So this, if you get in an accident, that's just gonna rip right off. That is 100% completely pointless. They did do studs, which is kind of cool. I like that. Welds are really bunk. Instead of having the tubes be one piece, they welded them, so if they get in an accident, then these welds are just gonna snap. And it's not symmetrical whatsoever. And what? I guess this is how you ruin a Miata, kids. That's how you make a Miata cool, though. So yeah, just viewers, that's how you make a proper bash bar. Let's continue with lesson today. This is 1/2 inch steel, and I have to drill through it 16 times. So this is kind of a time-consuming process. I think the last side took like an hour. So, gotta get to it. I just want to start bending bars and doing cool stuff like that. Alright, you saw one hole. That was probably boring enough. I have to do 7 more. Kill me now!
Caleb is working at the shop and it's really bright out here, but I'm back. I got all the brakes that I need and something happened. I just tweeted it out. Basically, I got to Advanced Auto Parts and I was checking my phone because Caleb texted me to get some more stuff from the store, and I checked his message. I put the phone away and I was opening the door and someone was parking right by me and they were kind of like going too fast, and I don't know, like basically someone hit me in the door. My door is pretty messed up. Like, basically this is pretty bad dent, and as you like open the door, it's not lined up straight, and it doesn't like close. You have to like forcefully close it, and it's like messed up. And it's not a pleasant dent. It's not a pleasant scratch thing. Obviously, any accident isn't really good. The bash bar progress is great.
Pretty good.
Caleb is working on it because I can't weld. Otherwise, I would help. I was also doing the brakes. So as I said, I decided to get all the new calipers, and they're finally all installed. The shirt says it. The shirt says
never mind.
You have to censor that out. What? It's not supposed to be touching.
It's not going to. Just measure
It
it.
doesn't touch on that side.
I know, Pasha. It's okay.
I know.
It's okay.
Fine.
It'll be okay.
I'm done filming. I don't like you. Sorry guys, I was kind of slacking on filming because I was working a lot. I was putting all the brakes in, and I was driving around to get the brakes, and I got this little accident thing happening. But thanks to Caleb, he's doing really great with the bash bar. What's up?
So we got some work done.
Yeah, you did for the most part. Well,
These brakes look pretty awesome. They're all done. So.
Nice and shiny. So for today, I think what we're gonna do for the rest of the today, we're gonna get one bar on top here to cross these two. Yeah, it's pretty warm. And possibly do the door bar. I don't know.
Fabian is finishing.
Hey, do you want to mention us just bleeding the brakes here?
Maybe it'll work.
We bled the brakes, guys. All of them. They're all good. We might go outside and push the car on and see if it stops. That'd be hilarious. No, I want to go outside. This guy needs some air. It's been inside for too long. He needs some vitamin D. Properly.
Half of it isn't even welded up fully.
Send it.
This is not fully welded to this, and this is not fully welded to this.
Are you gonna unbolt it and do the rest of it so you can do everything flat?
I could, yeah.
That's what you should do.
I mean, it doesn't matter.
Well, I mean, instead of him trying to do a weird...
I kind of also just want to unbolt it just to see it being bolted.
Alright. I hope I'm done.
If this recording sucks, I'm
It's
sorry.
okay, if we hit anything, it's just Molly.
Yeah. Whatever.
Check to make sure they work first. Pull the brakes and try to push it.
Oh no, dude, those are great.
Let's go, dude.
Oh, like life from up.
Yeah, I
know. Dude, this thing is gonna be like dangerous.
Oh, dude, I really want to go outside this right now. Just fucking do it.
Fucking rip it, man.
Caleb, move Molly.
Yeah, move on. Let's go. You hold the bar. We're gonna go have fun. Come on.
Can you wait for me?
Huh?
Can you wait for me?
Sure. Yeah, let's wait for you.
It's like pushing around the parking lot.
That's exactly what we're gonna do. Well, or do you want to wait till tomorrow when we have the truck, and then I can tell you in the truck?
We can just do both.
We can do both. Yeah, why not? I just took some time to vacuum the whole car from the wood that we did for the bus probably like 2 months ago. I think I did well. It's pretty dust-free in the rear, not in the front. Caleb just took off the bash bar and he's putting it back on.
So now let's do one on the top left over here.
You were welding it, right? You were welding everything.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I can't tell what long is.
It's so cool. It's coming along so nice.
That went on pretty nicely. A couple more? Thank you.
And guess what we're doing next? You wanna tell him? You wanna tell him?
I'm gonna push you around in your little cart.
Hell yeah. We're going outside. We're gonna ride in it because we have brakes now. We can actually brake. And we have steering, so we can actually steer. This is gonna be epic. I'm too excited. Let's just go. Let's just jump into it, guys.
If people want to move, like, that.
This looks so cool. I need some cinematic shots of this.
Welcome.
Thank you, Caleb. That looks so...
Oh, wait, here.
It's a little off.
No, you can't stop saying that. You can set the battery, like, right there, and then just, like, tape the lights on for now, and then, like, wire it up really quickly.
Yeah.
I could do that right now, is what I'm saying. Want to do it?
Hell yeah.
All right,
So we can have the electric lights outside. Yes.
Put the battery.
We're gonna do the lights. So we decided to put a light on, just, you know, because...
So we got the light taped on.
What, are you okay?
Yeah, I shocked. Light taped onto the bash bar. Battery taped onto the subframe. And the wires taped together. So
Dude,
we have
let's
a light.
go! This is so dumb, but
There,
it's
Pasha.
so good.
Are you want me to film so you can be in there and enjoy it?
Yeah, we're gonna take this with us.
Kind of looks dumb with one single light in the center.
It looks kind of cool though. Come on. It's like a...
Cyclops.
What?
It's got a Cyclops syndrome.
Ah, boys. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Send me in.
We're gonna be able to get this thing pretty fast.
haven't started this. You haven't started this.
Yeah, start it.
Clutch in. You gotta make the noise. Oh, it kind of
What? Oh, don't go so fast, Jesus.
The thing is very much off. Like...
Come back this way. I don't know which way they're coming from. They're gone. Maybe they crashed. They're all dead. Or maybe 3 human powers isn't very fast to go around this entire building. Alright, I'm going. They're over there. Okay. Oh, I will see. Shit!
This is so dumb, but it's so funny. Oh! Tired.
I want to ride. Oh, where'd everyone else go?
They ran out of
They're
breath.
like behind you.
Oh, there they are. Woo!
We can do another lap, I don't care.
1 human power. How's it feel, Jared?
I mean, it's pretty cool actually. Like
Yeah.
it's actually really fun for
That's
some
the
reason.
Speedo Cable Dragon.
Oh, that's what that is.
Does it blind people?
Yeah, it's pretty bright.
Oh yeah.
You'll have to point it like way down if you have 2 of those.
Are we going back in?
Take a little break.
That was awesome. And the light, it's really bright.
So the brakes? Oh yeah, the brakes are really nice.
great. The brakes are fantastic.
Is this right here?
I'm out of breath.
Yeah, you're straight right
Give me a 21 and I can finish the same.
Huh?
Give me a 22 millimeter.
This is sick. The light is really bright. I don't think I can use it on the roads.
No, you know.
So the bash bar is kind of halfway done. The brakes are all on. They do brake. It was awesome to ride in it around the outside. Thank you guys for pushing me. And it was awesome, yeah. All right, it is 2 days from the last time we filmed, and yesterday we took the entire day to tune Caleb's truck. It is finally back. It is all tuned, it's all good. It's got a little minor things that we are going to work on today, which I'm not filming. It's going to be in Caleb's video, or it might even not.
You can film it, 'cause I'm not filming it, so.
Yeah, Caleb's not filming it. I'm not going to film it. But thank you guys so much for watching. We started the bash bar. We did all the brakes on the Miata cart. We pushed it around. We had so much fun with it. And it's just coming along so nice. And I'm just really excited. I'm really, really excited to finish the bash bar. It's gonna look so sick. It already looks really cool. Definitely something I'm looking forward to, finishing this and finishing this side bar, finishing welding the cage. And then we have a lot of things planned. We are eventually going to do all the rust repair and paint it. I'm not exactly sure on the color of the paint. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see on the cart. But I do have a few ideas. Maybe your idea would be better. So let me know in the comments below once again. And I will see you in the next video about this KartCar. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay positive. Bye. Very sad. Very, very sad. That truck literally passed at the time when Caleb passed me. What the hell?